Okay, let us see that page number 181. Hostad said that when I hope I shall never have interest of my own to protest. Billing said that here your opponent is there. Aslaxon, point to the desk. Mr. Sharif Stengard was your predecessor at the editorial desk. Means your opponent is coming. That turncoat. Turncoat means here opponent in short. Your opponent, I am not a weathercock and never will be. And he said that Hostad, I am not going to change on the according to the situation. Weathercock means what? You change yourself according to the situation. So I am not a weathercock. Aslaxon said that a politician should never be too certain of anything. Mr. Hostad, and as for you, Mr. Billing, I should think it is the time for you to be taking in a reef or two in yourselves, seeing that you are applying for the post of secretary to the bench. Now here Aslaxon opened the secret of Mr. Billing, and he said that politicians should never be too certain of anything. You don't believe on them, Mr. Hostad, and as per you, Mr. Billing, I should think it is time for you to be cautious, to behave cautiously, because now you are going to apply for the post of secretary to the bench. Billing, I, Hostad, are you Billing? Billing said, well, yes, but you must clearly understand I am only doing it for only annoying the bigwig. He said that I am applying for the post of secretary to the bench because I want to become angry to the rich people. Big means here rich people. Aslaxon, anyhow, it is no business of mine. But if I am to be accused of timidity and an inconsistency in my principles, this is what I want to point out. My political past is an open book. I have never changed, except perhaps to become a little more moderate. You see, my heart is still with the people, but I don't deny that my reason has a certain bias towards the authority, the local ones, I mean. He said that my past is open to all of one, and I haven't changed. Perhaps I have a little bit moderate. I have become changed little bit myself, and my intention, my heart is still with the people, but I don't deny that my reason, I'm just thinking about the local authorities first, and then I will think about the people. Billing said, oughtn't we to try and get rid of him, Hostad? Don't we get rid of him? Hostad, do you know anyone else who will advance the money for our paper and printing bill? असं तुला माहिती आहे की जो कोण ॲडव्हान्स मनी आपल्या प्रिंटिंग बिलसाठी देईल? Billing, it is an infernal nuisance that we don't possess some capital to trade on. So it will be very dangerous that if we are not able to create capital for our trade. Hostad, sitting down at his desk. Yes, if we only had that then. Billing, suppose you were to apply to Dr. Stockman. Hostad, turning over. What is the use? He has got nothing. Billing said, no, but he has got a warm man in the background. Old Morton, Kill, the Bager as they all call him. But he has nothing, but he has a person, an old person, Morton Kill, and everybody calls him the Bager. Hostad, writing, are you so sure he has got anything? Billing, God Lord, of course he has, and some of it must come to the stockman. Most probably he will do something for the children at all events. And he must, most probably what? He will do something for the children at all events. Hostad said, are you counting on that? Means what? Are you depending on that? Billing, depending or counting on it means depending on it. Of course, I am not counting on anything. Means I am not depending on anything. Hostad, that is right. And I should not count on the secretaryship to the bench either. If I were you, I can assure you, you won't get it. मी जर तुझ्या जागी असतो तर तर काय असतं, तुला ते मिळालंच नसतं. बिलिंग, डू यू थिंक आय एम नॉट क्वाईट अवेअर ऑफ दॅट? मला मिळणार नाही. आय नो दॅट आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू, आय विल नॉट गेट दॅट पोस्ट. माय ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्रिसाइजली नॉट टू गेट इट. माय ऑब्जेक्ट इज वॉट? क्लिअरली. प्रिसाइजली मीन्स वॉट? क्लिअरली, थोडक्यात, शॉर्टली, नॉट गेट इट. A slight of the kind stimulate a man's fighting power. I am just going to stimulate man's fighting power, and it is like getting a supply of fresh bill. And I am just stimulate the people, man's fighting power, and it is like getting supply a kind of a fresh bill. Fresh bile means here what? Fresh energy, enthusiasm. And I am sure one needs that badly enough in a hole and corner place like this, where it is so seldom anything happens to stir one upon. Means there is a little bit energy, so I will create the energy, the spirit, fighting power, each and every corner. Nowadays it doesn't appear. Hosted. Quite so, billing. I shall be heard of yet. Now I shall go and write the appeal to the head householders association. Goes into the room of the at the right. आणि तो उजव्या साईडच्या रूमला जातो. हॉस्टॅड सिटिंग ॲट हिज डेस्क, biting his pen holder, says slowly, that's it, it is. And knock is heard. Come in. Petra comes in the outer door. Hostad gets up. What, you here? Petra, yes, you must forgive me. Mala maaf kar. Pulling a chair forward. Won't you sit down? No, thank you. I must go again in a moment. I'm going. I'm not staying here. Okay, I will go within no minute. Within a moment, I will go. Have you come with a message for your father by any chance? Now here, Petra is the daughter of Dr. Stockman. Okay. Now Hostad said that, have you come or have you brought a news for your father? Petra, no, I haven't brought any news for my father. I have come on my own account. माझ्या कामासाठी आले. Takes a book out of her coat pocket. Here is the English story for you. Hostad, why have you brought it back? Here, the history is what? Hostad had given a book for translation from Norwegian language to English, and as the Petra was a teacher, she was an English teacher, so she promised to translate it, but she did not translate it. She denied to translate, and she came here to return the book to Hostad. Petra, because I am not going to translate it. Hostad, but you promised me faithfully. Yes, but then I had not read it. I don't suppose you have read it either. So that time I did not read that. Now I have read it, and that's why I have decided not to translate it. Hostad, no, you know quite well I don't understand English. But Petra, quite so. That is why I wanted to tell you that you must find something else. Lays the book on the table. You can't use this for the People's Messenger. So why I didn't translate it? Because this is not suitable for People's Messenger newspaper. Hostad, why not? Petra, because it conflicts with all your opinions. It is opposite to your opinion. Hostad, oh, for that matter. असं आहे का? अशा पद्धतीनं हॉस्टेड म्हणलं. You don't understand me. The burden of his story is that the burden of his story is that there is a supernatural power. What is the burden in my head? There is a supernatural power that looks after so-called good people. Supernatural power is there, and it is taking care of good people, and it is giving punishment to the bad people, the old, and make everything happen for the best in their case, while all the so-called bad people are punished in that story. Hostel, well, but that is all right. That is just what our readers want. Petra, and are you going to be one to give it to them for myself? And are you going to be the one to give it to them? Means, are you going to punish someone else? For myself, माझ्यासाठी, I do not believe a word of it. You know quite well that things do not happen so in reality. So these things will not happen in the reality. So I decided not to translate it. Why are you giving such kind of story for which you are not following the path? Right, paste in that or print in your newspaper. Hosted, यू आर परफेक्टली राईट, बरोबर आहे. ते म्हणले जर तुमचे विचार तसे नसतील, चांगल्या माणसांना पनिश करतात आणि चांगल्या माणसांना ती सुपर नॅचरल पॉवर सेव्ह करते आणि वाईट माणसांना पनिश करते, असं जर असेल तर मग तुम्ही तुमच्या पत्रात छापूच नका, कारण तुम्ही तसे नाही आहात. हॉस्टॅट सेड दॅट यू आर परफेक्टली राईट, but an editor cannot always act as he would prefer. He is often obliged to bow to the wishes of the public in unimportant matters. Politics are the most important thing in life for a newspaper. Anyway, and if I want to carry my public with me on the path that leads to liberty and progress, I must not frighten them away. If they find a moral tale of this sort in the serial at the bottom of the page, they will be all the more ready to read what is printed above it. They feel more secured as it were. So he said that I am just running people's messenger. I want public, and if I want to carry public with me, so I have to print such kind of stories so that they can read. I want to carry my public with me on the path of the leads to liberty and progress, and I want to carry my public with the path of the liberty means स्वातंत्र्य, and the progress is being done. So I must not frighten them away. आम्हाला त्यांना घाबरवून सोडायचं नाही. If they find a moral tale of this sort, if they find moral tale, then they will do something sort in the serial. At least they read the paper. They will be all more ready to read what is printed above it. They feel more secure as it were. For Petra said, feel shame about you. For shame. You would never go and set a snare like that. Your readers, you are not a spider. So you don't, snare means what here? Net, jale. You don't spread snare for your reader. You are not a spider. You are not a darer person. Hosted, smiling. Thank you for having such a good opinion of me. Know as a matter of fact that billing is Billing's idea and not mine. It is Billing's idea, not mine idea. Petra. Petra said, Billings? Hosted, yes. Anyway, he propounded that theory is here one day, and it is Billing who is so anxious to have that story in the paper. I don't know anything about the book. And who told that? Billing told that. Petra said, but how can Billing, with the emancipated views? Emancipated means freedom views. Okay. Freedom means here emancipated views, free views. Hosted. Billing is a many-sided man. Means what? All-dimensioned man. Means many-sided means what? All-rounder man. He is applying for the post of secretary to the bench too, I hear. Petra, I don't believe it, Mr. Hostad. How could he possibly bring himself to do such a thing? तो माणूस असं कसं करू शकतो? Hostad. You must ask him that. You ask him that, Petra. I should never have thought it for him, or thought it of him. Means I cannot think that he will act like this. He will means Billing will act like this. Hostad, looking more closely at her. No. Does it really surprise you so much? Petra, yes. Or perhaps not altogether. Really, I don't quite know. Hostad, we journalists are not much worth, Miss Stockman. So, perhaps not altogether. Really, I don't quite know. Hostad, we journalists are not much worth, Miss Stockman. आम्ही जर्नलिस्ट विश्वास ठेवण्याच्या म्हणजे नॉट वर्थ म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय नॉट वर्थ आम्ही तसे लायक नसतो. Petra, do you really mean that? Hosted, I think so sometimes. Petra, yes, in the ordinary affairs of everyday life, perhaps I can understand that. But now when you have taken a weighty matter in hand, now I can understand your feeling. But now you have taken a weighty matter. Means what here? important matter you have taken in your hand. Here hostile interrupted. This matter of your father, you mean? तुझ्या वडिलांचा मॅटर आहे असं म्हणायचं तुला? Petra, exactly. It seems to me that now you must feel you are a man worth more than most. You can feel that you are a man worth, you are important man more than that. Hosted, yes, today I do feel something of that sort. Today I do feel, I'm feeling that. Petra, of course you do, don't you? It is a splendid vocation you have chosen. Splendid means what? Here splendid means very beautiful, vocation means profession you have chosen to smooth the way for the march of unappreciated truth and naive and courageous lines of thought. So you have accepted, you are just marching on the unappreciated truth. You are on the way and you are smoothly marching towards the unappreciated truth, a naive and courageous line of thought. Means what? You are moving on the path of revolution. It is, if it were nothing more than because you stand fearlessly in the open and take up the cause of the injured man, and you have just supported, you are supporting to the injured person. Injured means what? Not injured actually, but he is, what injured means what? Nobody is believing, nobody is supporting Dr. Stockman, and you have stood in front of, you have stood behind Stockman. So it is good for me also, hosted, especially when that injured man is I don't rightly know how to, Petra, when that man is so upright and so honest. You mean तुम्हाला असं म्हणायचंय का की when the man is upright and honest, you mean? More gently, especially when he is your father, I mean. He said that तुला तुझे फादर आहेत म्हणून तो मॅटर महत्वाचा वाटतो का? Petra, that hosted, yes, Petra means Petra, it is that is the first and foremost with you, not the matter itself, not the truth, not my father's big generous heart. It is that तुम्हाला असं वाटतं that is the first and foremost with you, and not a matter itself. It is not a matter itself, not the truth, not my father's big generous heart. Means my father is having not generous heart. It is not a big matter, it is not a truth, okay, and it is not first and foremost issue for you. Means what? It is not important issue for you, Hostad. Certainly, of course, that too, Petra. No, thank you. You have betrayed yourself, Mr. Hostad, and now I shall never trust you again in anything. So you betrayed yourself. तुम्ही स्वतःला धोका देताय. You are when Dr. Stockman was there, that time he was telling in the behalf of Stockman, and when as Stockman left, he started contradicting his own statement behind Dr. Stockman. Hostad, can you really take it so amiss in me that is mostly for your sake? Petra, what I am angry with you for not having been honest with my father. You talk to him as if the truth and the good of the community were what lay nearest to your heart. You have made fool of both my father and me. Means you have promised my father to stay with him, and also you made us, you have made fool both of us, my father and me. You are not the man you made yourself out of to be. You are not a man. You don't have any humanity, and that I shall never forgive you, never. No, I am not going to forgive you, and never. First, you ought not to speak so bitterly, Miss Petra, at least all now. Now you are not going to, you should not speak very bitterly because I am standing with your father, Petra. Why not now specially, Hostad? Because your father cannot do with my help. Because your father cannot do with my help, Petra said, looking him up and down. Are you that sort of man too? For shame, Hostad. No, I am not. This came upon me so unexpectedly. You must believe that. So I did not want to say like that, but it came unexpectedly. Sorry for that. Petra, I know what to believe. Goodbye. And she, Aslaxon, coming from the printing room hurriedly and with an air of mystery, Damnation, Hostad. Oh, this is awkward. Damnation means destruction. Petra, there is the book. You must give it to someone else. Good today. Goes towards the door. Hostad following her. But Miss Stockman, Petra, goodbye. Goes out. Aslaxon. I say, Mr. Hostad. Well. What is it? The mayor is outside in the printing room. The mayor, did you say? Aslaxon. Yes, he wants to speak to you. He came in by and back door. Didn't want to be seen. You understand? And it's a simple language. Hosted. What can he want? Wait a bit. I will go myself. Just see, Aslaxon, that no one. Aslaxon. Quite so. Petra. Stockman. You did not expect to see me here. Mr. Hostad. No, I confess I did not. Petra. Stockman, looking round. You are very snug in here. Very nice. Indeed. Peter said that. You are busy. You are comfortable here, I think, in your office. Oh, Peter. Stockman, and here I come without any notice to take up your time. Hostad said that. By all means, Mr. Mayor, I am at your service, but let me relieve you of yours. And he takes Peter Stockman's hat and stick and put on a chair. Won't you sit down? Peter Stockman sitting down by the table. Thank you. I have had an extremely annoying experience today, Mr. Hostad. Really? Well, I expect with all the various business you have to attend to. Really? I think you have lots of business, so that's you feel annoying experience today. No, Peter Stockman, the medical officer of the bath, is responsible for what happened today. No. Medical officer is responsible for that. Hostad. Indeed, the doctor? Stockman said. He has addressed a kind of report to the bath committee on the subject of certain supposed defects in the bath. And he has made a complaint against me. Has he indeed? Yes. Has he not told you? I thought he said. Yes, it is true that he didn't mention something about Aslaxon. I ought to have that copy. माझ्याकडे ती copy आहे. Hostad's looking at Aslaxon angrily. There is on the desk. Aslaxon. Right. Peter Stockman. But look there. That is the thing I was speaking of. Aslaxon said that, yes, that is the doctor's article, Mr. Mayor. Hostad. Oh, is that what you were speaking about? Peter Stockman. Yes, that is it. What do you think of it? Hostad. Oh, I am only a layman and I have only taken a very cursory glance at it. Cursory glance means what? Only वरवरचं बघणं. Okay, little bit glance. Okay, little bit look. So he has very cursory, unclear glance or Peter Stockman, but you are going to print it. You are going to print it, Hostad. I cannot very well refuse a distinguished man. So I am going to print it because I cannot refuse the distinguished means important man. I have nothing to do with editing the paper, Mr. Mayor. Stockman, I understand. Aslaxon, I merely plain what is put into my hand. Aslaxonने बाजू काढून घेतली. मी जे काय माझ्या हातात येतं ते मी प्रिंट करतो. Peter Stockman, quite so, Aslaxon. And so I must move off towards the printing room. Stockman, no, but wait a moment, Mr. Aslaxon. You will allow me, Mr. Hostad. If you please, Mr. Mayor. Peter Stockman, you are a discreet and thoughtful man, Mr. Aslaxon. And Peter Stockman appreciated Aslaxon by saying that you are a discreet and thoughtful man. To vicharpurvak, and discreet means you are important and thoughtful person. Aslaxon, I am delighted to hear you such kind of thing. Respectful. Okay, you are a respectful person and thoughtful. I am delighted to hear you think so, sir. Peter Stockman, and a man of very considerable influence, chiefly among the small traders, sir. Stockman, The small taxpayers are the majority here as everywhere else. And small taxpayers are also important for me. As like that is true, Peter Stockman. And I have no doubt you know the general trend of opinion among them, don't you? As Laxon. Yes, I think I may say I do, Mr. Mayor. सो हिअर वॉट ते पीटर स्टॉकमन हा त्याला आपल्याकडे खेचायला बघतो ॲस्लॅक्सनला त्याला चांगलं चांगलं म्हणून पीटर स्टॉकमन येस वेल सिन्स देर इज सच अ प्रेजवर्दी स्पिरिट ऑफ सेल्फ सॅक्रिफाईस अमंग द लेस वेल सिटीजन ऑफ अवर टाउन सो ही सेट दॅट स्टॉकमन येस वेल नाव द सिटी प्रेजवर्दी स्पिरिट ऑफ सेल्फ सॅक्रिफायसिंग among the less worthy citizens of our town means our common people. Less worthy means less common people, middle class people are going to sacrifice in our town. As like what? Self sacrifice. Peter Stockman. It is pleasing evidence of such public spirit, feeling extremely pleasing evidence. I might almost say I hardly expected it, but you have a closer knowledge of public opinion that I. So yes, I'm not a pleasing evidence, and it is what pleasing evidence. A कौतुकास्पद निर्णय है कि now the here the town citizens are going to sacrifice. Extremely praising evidence. I might almost say that I hardly expected it. I hardly expected it means what? I did not expect it. This would happen. What had happened? Dr. Stockman has written complaint against Peter Stockman about that bath and contaminated water. If the matter is for the settling of that matter, they have to demolish the bath. For that purpose, it needs a lot of money, and nobody is going to give the money. So who will give the money? The people who are living in the town will pay the money, because why? Because the mayor or all the shareholders doesn't have money. Aslaxon. But Mr. Mayor, Peter Stockman, and indeed it is no small sacrifice that the town is going to make, and town is going to make a big sacrifice. The town, but I don't understand it. Is it the bath? Stockman, at a provisional estimate, the alteration that the medical officer asserts to be desirable will cost somehow about 20,000 pounds. Now here the medical officer suggested to the alterations. If we want to do the alterations, we have to pay 20,000 pounds. Here I am going to stop. The rest of the topic will be discussed later on. In the next lecture I will give you rest of the topic. Okay, thank you.